Zero conditional practice exercises. If I wake up late, I'm late for work. If my husband cooks, he burns the food. If Julie doesn't wear a hat, she gets sunstroke. If children don't eat well, they aren't healthy. If you mix water and electricity, you get a shock. If people eat too many sweets, they get fat. If you smoke, you get yellow fingers. If children play outside, they don't get overweight. If you heat ice, it melts. If I speak to John, he gets annoyed. I feel good the next day if I go to bed early. Lots of people come if Jenny has a party. She buys expensive clothes if she goes shopping. My daughter passes her exams if she works hard. David is sick if he drinks milk. The river freezes if it is very cold. I like to visit the museums if I am in a new city. I cycle to work if the weather is fine. My flatmate cleans really well if she cleans the house. Everybody is grumpy if it rains a lot.